Justice Binta Nyako withdraws from Nnamdi Kanu's trial as IPOB leader Scolds her for disobeying Supreme Court order. Sexual harassment probe. Army discharges female soldier, exonerates officer. Tinubu declines assent to bill seeking to extend federal state lawmakers' tenure. Summary of the news. Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Tuesday handed off from presiding over the trial of the detained leader of the Indigenous Peoples of Biafra (IPOB) Mazi Nnmadi Kanu. Justice Nyako's withdrawal from the trial followed Nnamdi Kanu's application in open court, requesting her to recuse herself from the trial due to her disobedience of orders of the Supreme Court. While Ejimakor was trying to persuade the court to suspend the trial due to the fact that Kanu was denied the opportunity to prepare his defense, the detained Kanu rose from his seat and ordered his lawyer to sit down. "Sit down, I say you should sit down," Kanu ruled from the dock. "My lord, I have no confidence in this court anymore, and I ask you to recuse yourself because you did not abide by the decision of the Supreme Court. I can understand it if the DSS refuses to obey a court order, but for this court to refuse to obey an order of the Supreme Court is regrettable. I am asking you to recuse yourself from this case," Kanu stated. Though the prosecution counsel, Adeboyega Awomolo San, urged the court to proceed with the trial, Justice Binta Nyako said she was minded to recuse herself from the case. "I hereby recuse myself and remit the case file back to the chief judge," she held. Source: Sahara Reporters. The Nigerian Army has discharged a female soldier, Private Ruth Ogunleye, from service after she accused a senior officer, Colonel I.B. Abdulkarim, of sexual harassment. Addressing journalists in Abuja on Tuesday, the Director of Army Public Relations, Major General Onyema stated that after an exhaustive review of the facts, testimonies, and evidence presented, it was determined that Abdulkarim did not commit the offences alleged by Ogunleye. Onyema also revealed that Ogunleye had been recommended for discharge on medical grounds since 2022, but the Nigerian Army, showing sympathy, provided her with the best possible medical treatment before discharging her into civilian life. The decision to discharge her was made after she rejected an offer of medical treatment either from National Hospital or the Nigerian Army. Source: Punch newspaper. President Bola Tinubu has declined assent to a controversial bill seeking to extend the tenure and retirement age of legislative officers at both the National Assembly and the 36 state houses of assembly. The bill proposed increasing the tenure of service for legislators from 35 to 40 years and their retirement age from 60 to 65 years. Tinubu's refusal was communicated in a letter read by Senate President Godswill Akpabio on the Senate floor on Tuesday. This decision is made by the powers vested in me by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I wish to express my sincere appreciation for the diligent work of the Senate with regard to the drafting and passage of the bill. I hope you will receive it with understanding. Please accept the assurances of my highest regard. Source: Sahara Reporters. Follow for more. September 24th, 2024.